This audio is a calm psychology explanation about human connection and the brain. It is not a book narration. It is an original explanation inspired by neuroscience and psychological research. Let's begin. The human brain did not evolve to be alone. Long before modern life, before cities, before technology, survival depended on other people. To the brain, connection meant safety. Disconnection meant danger. Even today, the brain still works the same way. Neuroscience shows that social connection is not a luxury. It is a biological need. When we feel connected to another person, the brain releases chemicals that calm the nervous system. Oxytocin helps us feel safe. Serotonin stabilizes mood. Dopamine supports motivation and focus. These chemicals tell the brain something important. You are not alone. You are safe. This is why a warm conversation can reduce stress more effectively than logical thinking. The opposite is also true when the brain feels lonely. It enters a state of alert. Loneliness activates the brain's threat system, the same system used for fear and survival. In this state, the brain becomes hyper-aware. It overthinks. It remembers pain more easily. It expects rejection. This is why loneliness often leads to mental exhaustion, anxiety, emotional numbness, not because something is wrong with the person, but because the brain is trying to protect itself. Over time, chronic loneliness can change how the brain functions. Stress hormones increase, sleep quality decreases, emotional regulation weakens. The brain becomes tired of being on guard. This does not mean we need many friends. The brain does not measure social success by numbers. What the brain looks for is emotional safety. One person who listens, one person who feels predictable, one person who does not require performance. This is why being around the wrong people can feel more exhausting than being alone. The brain senses emotional threat, even in social settings. True connection calms the brain. It slows thoughts, softens emotions, relaxes the body. This is not weakness. This is how the nervous system was designed. Independence helps us function, but connection helps us regulate. If you ever feel restless, unsettled, or emotionally tired without a clear reason, your brain may not be asking for answers. It may be asking for connection, not noise, not attention, but presence. In the next video, we will explore why emotional safety changes the brain and why certain people make us feel calm without saying much. Thank you for listening.